got involved with race cars around 1976, concepted a sports racer that was cheap and easy to drive, and that became the first Radical in 1997, 1998. We were enthusiasts building cars for enthusiasts. Turning 62 years old, I decided I ought to start another motor racing company. For the first time, we've got Revolutions all racing together in one championship on American soil.
Yesterday was rough, just learning a new track. While we've started to get some confidence in the car, like on our home tracks, getting a new track is just kind of all went out the window. A bit calmer, a bit better mindset, you know, I ran consistent, didn't spin, took a few seconds off my lap. Today we did little setup changes. Whether that made the difference or not, I think psychologically it made me feel a bit better about getting out there and getting after it. And then I get some good tips from their test driver, tips on how to drive a downforce car that's completely opposite of the way, you know, I would normally drive.
Yeah, 25 years ago when we were building the Radicals, it was the easiest production method at the time, which was tube frames, plastic bushes in wishbones, which was a tried and tested formula. We grew so much, we could see that drivers would be looking for the next thing. Now road cars are amazing. You know, a GT3 Porsche in 2000s was easily beaten by an early SR3. It's not anymore. You know, the manufacturers have moved on, and we felt at our level our responsibility was to move on as well.
Came out first weekend, ended up third in class. Mostly by attrition, but saw that the next step up got me. I just ran my race, kept it going, kept it consistent, and watched the cars fall off that had other issues. And not the fastest way to get on a podium, but you know, any podium I can get, I'll take it. It was you just gotta stay out there and stay racing and get to the finish.
Look back at Formula One cars now from 20 years ago, they're totally different to what they are today. Because of the advancements in technology, we can make a better car quicker.